is a Fox 17 winter weather alert.
All right, here we go, everybody. This is 6:14 on Tuesday morning, and we've got quiet weather conditions out the door. We've got more clouds to contend with, and it looks like it'll be a mostly cloudy Tuesday as well as a mostly cloudy Wednesday. There's not a whole lot of sunshine going forward, but we do have some snow showers to mention, and those will be arriving for this evening, causing some slippery roadways, folks, as temperatures will really be falling off later on tonight, and tomorrow will be an Arctic Wednesday. There's no doubt about it. Wind chills between about -5 and say 5 to 10 above for all hours on the middle day of our work week. The good news is that look at this bottom line. Significant warming will be returning thereafter. We will be already not far from 40 degrees by Friday, into the 40s over the weekend. And I've got a model this morning that shows a high on Christmas Day of 48 degrees in Grand Rapids. So once we get through this evening and overnight with some wintry conditions, it looks like we'll be trending much differently thereafter. Winter weather advisory in effect from the National Weather Service for these purple counties. These advisories were just put up over the past few hours, and it looks like a general 1 to 2 inch type of a snow. There could be some localized areas getting as much as 3 inches of snow of fluff, because it's going to be coming down into a very cold atmosphere early tomorrow morning, with temperatures actually falling off as we're doing the morning show. It looks like 24 hours from now. Lakeshore flood advisories for these light green shaded counties. Seems like every time we pick up winds now out of the west or northwest, we have those advisories put up with the high water levels on Lake Michigan. So additional beach erosion with wind gusts to around 40 miles per hour along the immediate shoreline tomorrow. It'll be breezy inland as well, but waves about 6 to 9 feet, and there could even be some localized flooding there along the lakeshore as we've seen recently. Keep an eye on that. Mostly cloudy, dry for most hours. There could be a few flurries coming about by 4 or 5 o'clock, but it is thereafter, say 7, 8 o'clock and beyond, when some of these snow squalls do start to come into play. Check out all this bitterly cold air in northern and central Canada. We're going to get a chunk of that southern extent of it to drop southeastward and affect us tomorrow into very early Thursday, but it'll move away quickly as talked about by this coming weekend. Temperatures on the board as we speak, upper 20s, 27 officially Grand Rapids. Seems like there's a lot of 27s there. A north breeze, so in the range of 5 to 15 miles per hour. A couple gusts around 20 near Muskegon coming off the water. Wind chills in the upper teens to near 20. So it is a mid-December start to a day. This is what you'd expect. That's what we've got. And future temperatures for this evening, we'll run this out in motion, and you'll see how these numbers start to come down overnight tonight into the 20s, and then by daybreak tomorrow down into the teens. And we're really not going to rise much on Wednesday. Maybe we'll gain a few degrees into the daytime period, but those wind chills on northwest winds at 15 to 25, gusting to around 30. Even Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo will have wind chills down into the single digits, perhaps even below 0 at times. We zoom it in. We've got a lot of clouds over West Michigan, not anticipating much in the way of sunshine today. Could there be a dimmed or filtered ray? That's a possibility, but not much. Now watch the future track. We don't have a whole lot going on until about 6, 7, 8 o'clock. Some of these snow showers, lake enhanced variety. We get moisture off of Lake Michigan, and Arctic boundary does drop southward. So visibilities will be reduced, I think, late evening into the early overnight. Even a few flurries lingering well into tomorrow morning, but the bulk of what is to come down, this inch or two, maybe 3 inches in spots, will be done by the time we do the morning show. Temperatures, though, rebounding. Look at this. Interesting. Towards Christmas, well into the 40s.